In this video, we'll do a quick walkthrough of the features of the Hikma Health mobile application. I've already entered my credentials, so I'll go ahead and press sign in. Once I sign in, data is going to sync from the server to the mobile app. This is going to include all of the patients and any visits, as well as any forms that have been created in the administrator dashboard. So now I see my list of patients here. We're going to go ahead and create a new patient by pressing the New Patient button on the bottom right-hand corner. This patient's name is going to be John Tucker. We'll just input a phone number here, and country will say United States. Hometown will be Arizona. Camp, we'll put Camp A. This would be the camp that the patient lives in. We'll include the patient's date of birth. In this case, it's the 4th of March, 1982. Confirm. And the patient is male. All right, we'll save that new patient, and you can see that they show up there right at the top. We're going to click on the new patient, and you can see the patient view here shows a snapshot of the information about that patient. Since this is a new patient and they don't have any visits yet, we're going to go ahead and create a new visit by pressing New Visit at the bottom right-hand corner. This page will show all of the forms that are available to fill out for the patient during this visit. For this example, we'll use the medical history form. Now, let's say that John came in and he had a fever and a cough. We could record that here. And let's say we already know that John has tuberculosis. Go ahead and add that. We can add medication that John is already taking. Let's say John takes paracetamol in tablet form, 200 milligrams, 2 pills, 3 times a day. And the route for this medication is oral. Go ahead and save that medicine. And you can see it shows up there. We could delete or edit it if we need to. Now, John is allergic to pollen, does not have any previous surgeries, and his vaccinations are up to date. All right, we filled out this whole medical history form after talking to John. We press save. And if we go back to the patient view and we press recent history, we can see that this visit is recorded here. Medical history shows up with all of the information available. If we wanted to add a new entry to this visit, we could press New Entry, the bottom right-hand corner, and add another form. I'm going to go back to the patient view page, and let's say I wanted to download a PDF of this patient history. I can go ahead and press this Download Patient History button, and that's going to render a PDF of all of the information about this patient. And I can either go ahead and print that, or if I want to, I can save it as a PDF to my device by pressing the PDF Download button. I'm going to go back for now. Lastly, after I've seen this patient, or maybe I've seen many patients, I might want to sync this information to the server so that other clinicians can have access to it. And I can do that at any time by pressing the sync button in the top right-hand corner. If I sync it, I'll get this pop-up telling me what information is being synced to the server and whether or not it was successful.